Hi, my name is Mike, and I like to make Salesforce videos. I just haven't for a while, and my hope is that I'm going to get it started again. I'm going to start doing it again. But first, I wanted to just make this quick video because I'm going to transition my channel from what it is right now into maybe what I want it to become. And it might be a little bit confusing or jarring to my 12 viewers or whatever I've got. So I just figured I would use this video as kind of a marker for where things change or where I transition into what I'm going to do next. So I'll just take a few minutes to explain, and if you find this video and watch it, you'll get it. If you don't, that's okay too. So when I first started this channel, I had a bunch of ideas on what I wanted to do and what I wanted to share. And, a lot of it just didn't come to fruition for a variety of different reasons. I think a lot of it had to do with really just not knowing exactly where I fit in this whole Salesforce realm. I had a bunch of ideas on where I wanted to be, but it's really been difficult for me to kind of, I guess, decide where I actually fit in and where I'm going to work the best. So I've decided to not really focus too much on that anymore and just kind of go with whatever comes my way, and instead just focus this channel on just talking about the things about Salesforce that I really, really enjoy. I think mostly what's driving me, though, is I'm seeing this really interesting shift in where the technology is going, particularly in regards to software engineering. AI is a big, big deal, and Salesforce has really glommed on to AI. And I see that it's really an important thing for the business, for not only Salesforce, but the people that implement Salesforce and the people that use Salesforce. But I think that where AI really fits beautifully is on the engineering side. And I'm seeing Salesforce starting to really lean into that a little bit. With the release of Agentforce Vibes, I'm seeing that Salesforce is recognizing that AI is a very important tool in software engineering. And it's actually my firm belief that using AI as a tool for software engineering is the future. If you're not doing it, then you are at risk of falling behind. And that's one of the things that I want to focus on this channel going forward. AI is now one of the most important tools in software engineering. I am certain of it just because of my own experiences. There's ways to use it effectively and ways to not use it effectively. I've actually been able to vibe code my way from start to finish to develop an application in a framework that I'm not very familiar with. The application itself seemed to work, but under the hood was quite a mess. And that's what I think I want to focus on here, is talking about how do you use these tools and how do you use them effectively with Salesforce while still making sure that what you're actually producing is really good, sound software that is extensible and can stand the test of time. So since that's going to be my focus, consider this video sort of my transitional video into my new channel called Build on Salesforce, where I'm going to focus on what it takes to build on Salesforce successfully and in the new AI age. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.